My CAS project is a psychology club I founded with 3 other students. We want to investigate deeper into psychological knowledges while trying to conduct some various interesting activities. We hope people in school community learn more about psychology through different activities. We aim to bring emotional value to individuals of different specific identities from different perspectives.
So firstly, I'm really interested in psychology and this social science subject, and I made a lot of friends during the class of psychology. So I hope that my exploration to psychology cannot be limited in the IB curriculum. So I want to investigate deeply. I have an idea. Then I have an idea about that I can create a psychology club which can provide a platform space for students who also like the psychology knowledges, and so we can investigate those knowledges deeply and maybe to share them with the others surrounding us. And after detailed communication with my friends, I was responsible for the practice department of our psychology club, and there's also an activity club which is responsible for the various activities to treatment about things like that. But I'm for our practice departments, we mainly focus on the conducting psychology experiments or to investigate the knowledge deeply, to share those psychological effects with the surroundings. So we had lots of achievements and results of our activities just in the following video.
The first activity was the book world activity, where we provide clay and colored pencils, and each student receives a plastic board to decorate in any ways they like. We published an article on the WeChat official account to promote the activity. We also designed posters to be posted in the school. We prepared notes for the participating students with words of encouragement, and then we collect all of the works and put them together to form a large clay world, just shown as the picture. At the same time, we also took close-up of each work and prepared to post them on the official account so that everyone can see their little world. This work was made by me. The second activity is the psychology fair, which focuses on the mental health of the students. In order to relieve the pressure of the study, we provided psychological knowledge popularization, interesting psychological games, and psychological decompression activity through the psychology fair. As the initiator, I'm responsible for the layout of the entire setting, and this is a video showing our activities, which are spread throughout the corridor in the form of stairs, allowing students to experience various activities. Another classmate and I are responsible for one of the activities, which is to write randomly half sentence and then randomly form a sentence with others. It can be seen that many students participated. These are the 3 presidents of the club, including me. At the same time, I also supervise the activity of the other students, which include watching a movie about memory distortion, as well as the questionnaire about the knowledges they designed. The third activity was the Auspicious Dragon Welcome the New Year theme activity, where everyone could write their New Year wishes on the sticky notes and then stick them on the dragon as dragon scales. As the initiator, I was responsible for drawing the dragon with another leader, Shirley. I found some references online and made a draft. In the picture, Shirley and I were drawing the dragon together. Every day, Shirley and I would check everyone's sticky notes and to ensure that there would be no negative informations. At the same time, we would reinforce them. As can be seen from the picture, the students actively participate in this activity. This helped students relieve the pressure of the exams. At the same time, teachers in the psychological counseling room reported that they were able to understand some students' thought through this information. The fourth activity is bi-weekly WeChat official account posts. This is WeChat official account we created. We recruit members of psychology club through posters and recruitment activities, and then form a team of 2 to publish an official account article every 2 weeks. The content is what each group is interested in. During the entire club activity, we published a total of 11 articles, and the maximum number of people who viewed our articles was 574. We totally explained 6 psychological effects in details. The fifth part is the campus well-being board. The psychology club I found has reached an arrangement with the school's official psychological counseling room and jointly manages an area on the school's wall. We use various posters and installations to display our club's achievements and establish spiritual connections with teachers and students in Huijia in the campus. For example, the auspicious Dragon Welcomes the New Year theme activity mentioned earlier was conducted on the campus well-being board. We will update it every 4 months on average, and the picture shows that the psychological knowledge we popularized about the smell on it.
So as a reflection, I think in the process of running a psychology club, I not only mastered the basic behavior observation method, but also deeply understanding the scientific logic of experiment design. For example, in the conducting experiments, this made me truly appreciate the charm of the psychology, which is more intuitive and shocking than the theory in the textbook, which means I finally can learn the knowledges or investigate them beyond the IB curriculum. I think this is really important to me and really determined my life.